I'm Sarah Esler from Daydream Skin and Body Therapy. We operate from Bury St Edmunds. We've just moved into new premises, though we actually opened in the town in 1988. And we specialise in skincare. Traditionally, people think of a beauty salon offering manicures, pedicures, waxing, eyebrow shaping. So we run all those services, and that's very often where somebody starts, or with a gift voucher for a manicure and pedicure for Christmas or because they're going on holiday. Once they come into the salon and feel more confident and self-assured, they might start to talk to you about other issues which concern them. We have some brand new technology that we took on board last year. We have radio frequency for anti-aging, and that complements our other treatments. We do crystal clear microdermabrasion, and we use microcurrent for facial lifting and contouring. It used to be exclusively really an industry that offered services to ladies, but increasingly we have male clients. We actually do have a range of treatments that we devise as facials especially for them. And men are interested in manicures and waxing as well, but now I think they feel that they can bring problems of, their complexion problems into the salon without being thought a sissy. If somebody came to us concerned about their aging skin, we would give a thorough consultation. I would ask where their priorities are, because quite often somebody comes in and I think it might be the hyperpigmentation, the brown marks on their face that immediately alarm me, and they have never even seen them. So I wouldn't want to, start there. But they might say that I find my jawline, my jowls, I just find, my face is dropping. So depending on what their priority is, that's where we would start. And we can offer a range of treatments now, whether it's to do with sharpening the contours on the face, whether it's boosting collagen, whether it's getting rid of thread veins. There's lots of things, but we start, and it's a bit like dental wear. You have your treatment in the salon, and then we can guide them and give advice on what they should be doing on a day-to-day basis at home. And we are very flexible. We would make a program that we can vary it according to somebody's time and the amount of money they want to invest. There's only 2 of us full time, so it's very personal. People know the therapist that they're going to have. It's not a lottery. And then we have 2 part-timers. And our makeup, we have a professional makeup artist who helps us in that area for bridal and special occasions. Continual professional development is a priority for us. Regulation is very important, and at the moment we're a part of HABIA, and we have our professional organisations, BABTAC, so training and ongoing training is vital. The future looks very good. We've moved into these nice big premises, so we'll probably be able to recruit. It gives us just more opportunity to make our clients more comfortable and offer even better service.